Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix shadow ban on TikTok. So let's get into it. Number 1. Delete offensive content. You should delete content that goes against the rules and community guidelines laid down by TikTok. You can refresh your device once in a while to check if you have finally managed to lift the ban. Number 2. Follow TikTok's community guidelines. Producing videos that violate TikTok's posting guidelines may prolong your shadow ban or even get your account permanently banned. TikTok's community guidelines have an extensive list of all the content prohibited on the platform that may get your account suspended or permanently banned. Number 3. Reinstall the app. If you think you've successfully removed the offending post and want to test it out, try deleting and reinstalling the app on your device. There's a chance you just need to clear the cache or update the app in order to get it working again. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.